Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily appear offline on the Facebook app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Facebook app. Then hit Add menu icon, and right here at the top right hand corner hit Add gear icon to open up settings. Then tap Add profile settings, and right here you can easily find active status option. You can tap on that, and right here if you want to appear offline on Facebook you need to toggle this feature off. Just tap on that and then hit Add turn off. Keep in mind that if this feature toggled off, no one are able to see your active status, but you can see others' active statuses as well. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.